Today we're learning Deuteronomy 6:5. We'll also learn exactly what it means.
Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus.
Deuteronomy 6:5. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your might. Deuteronomy 6:5. In Hebrew, when you're talking about the heart, you're talking about your passions, your emotions, and your decision making. So your mind and the things that drive you to do the things that you do, which includes all of the things, and it's linked in what Hebrew calls your heart. How can you love God with all your heart? Deuteronomy 6:5. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your might. Deuteronomy 6:5. The Hebrew word used for soul here talks about your soul, but it also talks about your being, your inner self, the things that make you you. Your nefesh, that's the Hebrew word, your soul leaves your body when you die and leaves the physical part here. We could do a whole workshop on what soul actually is. If you want to know more about that, let me know in the comments and I'll plan that workshop. How can you love God with all your soul? Deuteronomy 6:5. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your might. Deuteronomy 6:5. Your strength or your might is pretty easy to understand. That's all the things that you do with your muscles and your body. How can you love God with all your strength and your might?
Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.